So all these wires are all numbered. It's hard to see on this one, but on your new motor, the numbers will be quite apparent. And you need to read what you're connecting for here, 240 volts, and match up the numbers that it says on the data sheet. And it's most important that you get them all right. The numbers are quite easy. They're printed right along in white lettering. And it's most important that you get that right. So just take your time. Just the number L1, L2, whatever.
So if you're doing 230 volt,
Yes.
you're going to write out T4, T8, and T2 together to L2.
Yes.
And T1, T7, and T6 to L1.
Yep.
And T3, T9, and T5 to L3.
Yep. Yeah. Okay, so this is your 240 volt single phase coming in. So between the two wires you're going to have 220 to 30 volts, and you'll go 110 to ground. Okay, so we're going to put these in. We'll try and get them back in the same hole. Miss the center one, just do the two outside ones. And on this, we've got the three phase coming out, of course, so we're T1, T2, T3. Okay. Okay, now we can test it. Power on. If you just to be sure, you can check the input voltage. 205, okay? And 110, 118 to ground. Okay.
Normally when you start it up, you don't want it to be at full speed.
You can see the frequency coming down in the corner.
Normally this would start on 15. It was on 40. So now we're going to start it after, obviously, it's been properly programmed. And then we're going to check for rotation in the coupler, which right now is backwards.
You can just swap any two of these wires and reverse the direction. So your two output, yes, you can any two of those. Just change any two, and it'll change the direction of the motor.